Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete's J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going to build a little bit more of the kit. As you can see right there, I'm wearing the Ecto, but we're doing the kit. So what is there to say about this? This is from Van Home, the people that will bring you the DeLorean as well now, and some other beautiful builds. Let's get straight into this and start building. We're doing the chairs, and I presume at the last point we'll be putting it onto the passenger compartment, and we'll see what that brings. And let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build. There we go. Okay, let's see what we do. We're doing the same thing that we did in a few stages back, and that's quite quick, as you can imagine. That is what we have in this stage, and that's all we're doing for this whole thing. We're putting that sponge in, and this is all rubber, so you can lift that quite easily. Then we're putting this one up. DP screws in this beautiful flanged screw. Let's put this in this cup. This is the easiest way. I usually do it. Is just put the sticker that keeps the bag closed over the edge of this cup. And that's it for this stage. As you can see, we've put that all in. Sorry. As you can see, we put that all in neatly. And beautiful to see. Stage 60 of the Knight Rider right in front of us. And what are we going to do? We're going to get this one onto, and we're going to put it onto that one, through there and in there. So that's one goes there, and that one goes there. And we're going to put a screw in there, which is the BP. There we go, that's on. Next page, that's step 2 done. Then we're gonna get these DMs at the ready, and we put it on like so. The higher side's on the thinner side and the lower side on the broad side, with that pin on that side, as you can see, like so. And we are going to put some DMs in there, because these need to be moved about. All right, then that, with that, as you can see, movable, we're going to put that on this thing, and putting 1, 2, 3, 4 BPs in there. So, and then we've got that black part with the moving parts under it, and that is stage 60 done. We're going straight to stage 61. Okay, stage 61. Let's see what we're doing. So we push that cushion underneath, as you saw, and that on top, and we're getting MP in the top here, and MP here, and the rest is LPs. So let's start with the MPs. And so these are 1, 2, 3, 4 LPs and 2 MPs. Then we're going to put, so the lower and the upper part are going to be connected through that. And in there, I'm going to put a BP. So that is what you have then, with that all in, and this, we just connected it right there. So we're going to connect this on top. 2 BPs in the big ones, the big rounds, and then we're going to put the little lid on top of it. And I've got the PMD sticker on my finger that was supposed to stay on the seat. Alright, both are in, and then we're going to put this on top of it. And then we're going to turn it around and put the long one of these two, so that one into that one, and there's a pin in that one as well, that's but so much smaller, and then a screw right there to keep it all in place. And the screw that we're going to put in is a BP. All right, we're getting this one in. We're putting the pins of those points with those together, and then we're going to put in some screws from underneath. So we've got 2 points that we can put screws in right there, and these are GMs on both points, and that is what we have both chairs in. This is the one that we just put in. This is one I corrected because it wasn't in properly. That is stage 61 done. We're going to put that aside. All right, this goes in like so, as you can see right there. Then we're putting this under and making sure that those points come up. We're starting with DPs, and we're going to put it on the seat on the driver's side as a back seat, and I think that would be finito for this pack. And we're getting a BP out, and we're going to put it right there. Okay, with a bit of pushing and shoving, that one is in. And this is what we have at the end of that. We made that second chair. I thought we were missing a part here, but we're not putting that in yet, apparently. So that is this stage 62, is it? 62 done, but the pack is also done. There's not much more. There's nothing more to do here. And as you can see, that is all we have. There's nothing else lying around, and but in the corner you see something, and that's the next thing I will do. And it's a new build for my channel, and you may have seen it already. And it's got to do with a big truck. That is not a truck in this build, but I will enjoy this one very much. It's from my youth, and maybe you know by now. So have a look at that on my channel, PJ Cooper the Model Builder, and I hope to see you next time on any of my other builds. This one, that one, or maybe the ones in the back that you can see right there, or the one I just mentioned. So please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time for any of my other builds. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.